Oh, frig yeah. It's our first hobo-free day in Inwood. Oh, it's just a friggin' ice rink out in Inwood. Good way to bust your shit. Oh, this is bullshit. The worst day in a parking lot is better than the best day at Inwood, probably. That would be the life though, really. Just like travel around, smoke cigarettes, reek. You know what I mean? Have like an old wash tub and stuff. And anyways, I guess we go. $1.70, $1.69.9 for 1 liter. It's 4 liters in a gallon. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like, you know, $6 and some cents, 30, 40 cents. $6.40 a gallon. I just put 120 bucks in my truck, and it's not even to half. I guess too much. You got $399,000. There looks like the new guy. $399,000 for his place. So Inwood, it's got to be worth at least $27. At least. Look at it. Look at it. 27 bucks easy. All day. 27 bucks. It's the first hobo-free day, boys. Yeah, I'll have to go and pay him a visit. See what it's like to be not so desperate and in not such a horrible situations and stuff. 70 liters, $1.69, 120 bucks. Oh dear. And that equates to $6.80 a gallon. Equivalation. That's the equivalation factor. So that's awesome. Thanks. And diesel is usually 10 cents less. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'll have to put him somewhere. Where'd he come from? Careful, buddy, you're cold. I don't know if they're capable of surviving after freezing completely solid or not, but put him somewhere where he can at least have a chance. Poor little fella. Just tuck him down in there, and then hopefully he'll come back to life when it's warm outside. Yeah. Oh, we'll get this car unloaded. I gotta get the air compressor and fill that tire up too. For fuck's sakes. Cool, man.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, just Gawky McGawkenstein. We're getting yanked. Well, we're all next up in the convoy now. That's splendid. Hey. Should be off to prison any minute. I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna go. Red light. Go. Okay, right on, man. Just running red lights. Relentless. Oh, Jack. You bessin'. You stupid son of a bitch. Little poop, not too bad. Whoa, nugget. We're probably going to the hobos. Hobos right back there. Let's go have a look-see. I think the cops just drove back there. They probably got the red alert. There's some hobo van parked behind Green Tire or Walmart. We gotta get them. It's gonna put a hindrance into my plans for just fireclackering them terrible. Come on, out of my way, boys. I got a friggin' fireclacker the hobo. He's probably got the hobo tied up right now. Bringing him over to his house to get him to pickle frames and stuff.
Maybe they did a meth trap on him.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. You see it?
Yeah, I did.
You see the cops?
No, I'm looking for him. The fleechy flashers. Steamy in there, he's in there.
Oh, yeah. Careful, scare me.
That's probably good. Ooh, it's stinky. Is there any movement?
Yeah. Look at the 4-0 cigarette, eh?
Oh, I see movement.
Yeah.
He was sleeping.
Yeah. Just hanging out in his van. Oh, that's great.
See some? They call him He Score Charlie.
Yeah. You're like, what the f is that?
Charlie.
What? Oh shit, there's the cops. Oh shit. Oh, it was for real, the cops though.
Hey, let's simmer down. Be an He Score. At least I can drive this truck and go to jail. There he is.
Yeah.
He's probably just mad as fuck.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Jimmy, give me that.
No. Oh, you're just belligerent. You can't even get out.
Oh. Oh. What happened?
You're gonna go mad? What? You're gonna get the cops here.
No, there's cops everywhere.
Well, yeah, let's not bring them here. Oh my god.
Oh man, I could have made you a star, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at the 907 boys. Holy shit. Oh.
I was like, what the f
I thought it was a tractor trailer, right? And I thought he just ran over something. I hear pop, pop. And I keep hearing this. I'm like, what in the f is that? I thought, I wish it would stop, right? They're sitting out here trying to be low key. And this guy is out here with firecrackers. Oh my God, you're insane. Oh my God.
Slight case of brain damage.
I wasn't sure if you were
shit,
even
I didn't
here.
think it was that crazy.
I wasn't sure if you were here because it took so long, you know?
Well, yeah, I wasn't. I was like, what the? Whole jar of.
Yeah!
Oh
Whole
my
jar
God.
of clackers. Yeah, I
Oh
almost
my God.
wasted them. Almost wasted them all.
What are you gonna do with the rest of them?
Well, I was gonna light them all off and throw them on your van.
No, I'm just thinking like, just f***ing people, like just be driving at stoplight, just throw it under their car, all of a sudden, boom, and they're like, get out, no fucking, check it.
Could you hear it though?
Yeah.
Was it loud?
Well, yeah. Going, oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, he's around back, boys. Oh yeah, look at him looking right at me. Looking directly at me. Oh man.
Okay.
Mess with me when you're ready. Ah, that's the cops, eh? Check that out, boys. Way less desperate, eh? Way less desperate. Oh, hobo shitter cam. Look at the setup, boys. That's awesome. Windows are all wet. Oh, he's got cans of Coke. Oh yeah, sucking back a Coke. Yeah. Living the dream. Oh, your door, what happened there?
What's that?
What happened to your door there?
The door.
Yeah, give us a little Kimpa-Wimpus there, or
I can't hear you.
a little Kimpa-Wimpus?
How's that mean?
Well, it was like gunk.
Oh, no, I gotta align that. That's that door is not the original door.
What? Something. Out of the way, face. Hey?
See buddy riding buddy's ass over there?
No, okay, jump in. We'll go to Princess Auto. You got a mask? You infected, dirty hobo. Oh. Oh man, I am just hilarious, eh? Try to tell me I'm not just hilarious. What'd you do?
My phone always drops in these pockets. This is
Oh, for crying out sakes.
it's fun. Yeah, I didn't know about this tractor trailer shit. Holy Christ.
So how's Walmart? Quiet? Not too bad?
Well, yeah, it was. Fucking,
See that one video? The cop was parked right over here. The cop was parked right back here, and I was like, "How you doing? How you doing?" And he like got all pissed off and friggin' come after us, terrible, you know? Holy dude, you alright?
yeah, like do something, make up your mind.
Just friggin' sit out and hang out in the middle
Yeah,
of the intersection.
like this.
Mm.
Fucking, yeah, that church parking lot is just it too. Like, if somebody wanted to,
Live there for a bit.
yeah, like, between that and that, you could do it until you got something together. Which London, you wouldn't be in the spot for me.
Yeah, somebody be over there lighting off firecrackers.
Well, not
friggin'.
even. No, it would just being there, someone would be there. London was the worst.
That's hilarious. There's literally cops parked right out front of friggin' the Walmart, and I'm behind it lighting up 400 firecrackers. Oh man, I'm hilarious. Holy shit. Wow.
So I can only imagine that all the cops, most of them would be all doing traffic and shit
MTO big time too,
Oh,
which
really?
is just awesome. Like, just awesome. You know, they're my favorite. Really.
Yes, of course.
Because, like, you know, the OPP, they'll give you fines and tickets and this and that, but they won't just dink blast you like the MTO. You know what I mean? Like,
exactly. No, I know.
you're not getting away with all.
Yeah.
They took like a course and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're all butthurt and shit because they're not actual cops.
Yeah. I remember hitchhiking when I was hitchhiking throughout Canada, and you'd go in the tractor trailers. They would tell you about, you know, like MTO and the DOT, all that shit, and it was like, holy crap, man. And scales and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
bum at the Donaker.
Well, not really. But...
Truck stop bum Donakerville and shit.
No.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I guess. Oh, shit.
We did a little day trip with the hobo. It's kind of a heat bag spot though. Why wouldn't you go around the back?
Because that's where, I know, that's where he wanted to drop it, but around the back is where all deliveries and shit happen, so I'd be in the way, you know what I mean? That's what I think is saving me.
But this, you can see it, everybody that comes in here, you can just see it sitting right there.
Yeah. Well, I hope not to have it there very much.
How much more you got before it's running?
Well, I gotta empty the back off and see about those springs. I gotta definitely check.
See, there's like a piss mat collection and shit right there. You should have just gone right there.
I know, but then with it, you know.
Right up on the grass, you know what I mean?
No. Yeah, I think he was right in saying, you know.
No parking in front of bay doors. Just custom as Hey!
It is though.
Yeah.
It's one of a kind.
Fucking roof lights and everything.
Yeah, you like the toe lights? The 80s toe lights?
That's awesome. Where'd you get the light bar?
That's the toe lights. I got them at Second Chance. It's a store in Strathroy, right? And yeah, they didn't work, and I fixed them all up because I wanted it to match, right? The era, and they work and everything. Holy crap! Like, I remember when I was in Strathroy, it's the whole neighborhood. That's all you'd see. That thing was, I could only put them on for a couple of seconds. I thought the cops would come. Because it's like, holy shit, they're bright. You wouldn't believe it for old lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's brighter than what you want. I just have it for fog. So if it's really, really foggy out, I'll turn them on so tractor trailer can smash the fucking thing. You know what I mean? They're just for safety, really. I'm not going to tow anything. And then that light's angled specifically so it goes into the field.
Oncoming traffic.
No, it goes into the field.
Oh, I apologize.
And then the other one goes this way, and that goes in the field so you can see everything coming. I'll send you more shit of it.
Right on.
Alright, cool. Thanks for the things. I'll put them somewhere where someone will see. It's not like everybody's not going to be staring at it.
Right.
You know.
Frig, yeah, man.
Alright, man.
Fucking do jankum.
What's that?
This is do jankum.
Alright, I'll be talking to you.
Right on. Oh yeah, the hobo. Just living at Walmart for a bit. Shouldn't be here too long. Rig's up and running pretty well. Rig's pretty well up and running, you know what I mean?